Welcome back to the next example under the idea of integration. Under the idea of direct integration, direct integration method under the study of differential equation. So let's solve this example here. This example is a problem under direct integration method. Why? Because I have the y over the x to be equal to some things in terms of x. So everything here are in terms of x. So how do you solve this problem? So how do you solve problem of this nature? So first things first, we said it's easy as take the s here. So that gives you dy equals x squared plus 2x all over the square root of x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5. Of course, attach the x here. So take this the x here. That gives you the x this way. Next stop. Integrating through. So integrating through. That gives you the integral of the y is equal to the integral of x squared plus 2x all over the square root of x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5. Of course, I have with respect to the x, I have this here. So my next task is to check which method will work for me. In this case here, I will see substitution. So how do you determine which method to use while integrating? The true fact there is about it's not actually about you. There's no technique to know specifically which method to use. They just try to solve as much as possible questions. That experience gives you an hint of which method to use. But here now, from experience, from here, this one here, I can apply to some method and still be correct for this one here. So it means that I'll let you. So if I integrate the y, I'll have y to be equal to, if I integrate this one, what do you get here? So let you to be equal to x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5. Let you to be this. Differentiate you with respect to x. That gives you du over the x here is equal to 3x squared plus 6x. All right, I have this place. Du dx gives you 3x squared plus 6x from integration. From here, I can factorize out 3 and x. That is, I can say du over the x, du over the s can still be expressed as, what's common here? For let me say 3, big out 3. So that gives you 3 into x squared plus 2x. All right. This value and this value are still the same thing. 3 times x squared gives you 3x squared plus 3 times 2x gives you 6x. Why I did it this way is so I want to make sure that what I'm having in numerator here can cancel out. So I express this stuff in terms of what I'm having in the numerator so they can eliminate each other. That's why I actually did it this way. So from here now, I'll make the x subject. So from here, the x is equal to du all over 3 into x squared plus 2x. Next stop. Your next task here is to next task is substitute, right? Substituting. This gives you y is equal to the integral of x squared plus 2x all over this one here, you said is u, so that gives you root u, because everything here in the bracket in this root is u, so that's root u. That gives you root u dot the x gives you du all over 3 into x squared plus 2x. But observe this one here, we'll cancel this one here. So when we're saying I have 1/3 left and the u, so that gives you y equals the integral of 1 over root u dot 1/3 dot du. From here, I bring out this 1/3 outside the integral sign. That gives you y is equal to 1/3 is constant term. After integral sign, have this. Then the integral of 1 over root u dot du. If I want to integrate 1 over root u, what do you have as the answer? If I want to integrate, if I integrate 1 over u, that gives you ln u. If I integrate 1 over root u, what will you have? If I integrate 1 over u, I have ln u. If I integrate 1 over root u, what will I have? Is it ln root u? All I have. So hence now, you're going to apply this concept here. The cost of ordinary root method change. Method will change here now. Method will change here now. What do you do in this case? Now, here's the idea, please. Y is equal to 1/3 integral of root means 1 over root means 2 to the power 1 over 2 to the power half means root. 1/2 means root. I have this dot du. Observe, please. Observe. This gives you y equal to 1/3 the integral of. So if I take this 1/2 and the u up, that gives you u to the power minus 1/2. So this one here and this are the same thing. From idea of indices, negative index law. So if I'm having this negative now gives you 1, 2, 1/2 comes down here. This from indices concept, right? So this stuff here can still be expressed in this format. I have the u, yeah. I apply the general method here. That gives you y equal to 1/3. If I integrate u to the power 1/2, that gives you u to the power minus 1/2 plus 1 all over minus 1/2 plus 1. Then attach plus c. I applied general method of integration. So add on to the power, and then whatever you have in the power, repeat it down as denominator. So I added 1 to the power, everything here comes down. So what do we get here? Let's see. Take this one off. For me, I take this one off. I have that y is equal to 1/3 into minus 1/2 plus 1 gives you 1/2. All right. That gives you u is equal to u power 1/2 all over 1/2, then plus c. Then plus c. All right. Next task here. This one gives you y equal to here gives you 1/3 into this one gives you u to the power of 1/2. This line means divided by 1/2, 1/2, then plus c. This gives you y equals 1/3 into u to the power of 1/2 times, change all the times, that gives you this 2 comes up here over 1 goes down here, then plus c. I have this one here. From this gives you y now is equal to u to the power 1/2 times 2. That gives you 1/3 into 2u to the power of what? 1/2. Then plus c. 1 is just there. 2/1 is still 2. 2 times this value gives you this. Right? From here, y will be equal to 1 times 2 times u to the power 1/2. That gives you 2 to the power of 2u to the power of 1 over 2 all over 3 plus c. What is u? Let's put the value of u here. Let's put the value of u here. This is why I have to give you as much as possible example under this method so you can get it right. So from here, this one gives you y is equal to, this is 2 into, what is u? You said u is I've cleaned the board. You said u is 3x squared plus 3x squared. Let me check. We said u is 3x squared, 3x cubed per se is s cubed. Okay. U is s cubed. We said u is s cubed plus 3x squared plus 5. But I have half here, 1 over 2. So I'll have 1 over 2. So all over 3. Then plus c. 1 over 2 can still be expressed as a square root. So my final answer gives you y equals to 2 root s cubed plus 3x squared plus 5 all over 3 plus c. This is my answer to that particular question. So let's solve questions of this nature. All right, let's solve this particular question. See you guys in our next example.
I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen. Alright guys, you can now join my channel membership to have access to exclusive videos of mine which most people will not have access to. To get this link, this membership program, as you can see the left hand side of the screen, you can see the YX/JAM classes. You can go there. It of course 1,000 naira, or you go for the other level student to have access to both. Right, so once you join the channel membership for other level students, you will have access to both the WAEC and the JAM classes with the other level itself. So do well to join this membership to support our online academic session. See you guys sooner. I just launched my website www.ganiyubakar.com, as you can see in the screen. In this website, you can get close to 4 to 5 tutorial courses that are there. So we have different courses there. Also, the book I just launched also is in the website. You can visit our website and get the courses you want to watch. And also, the video you're watching recently, you can get more of these interesting videos in the website. So do well to visit the website and also register an account with my website. See you guys in the website, and make sure you buy a course from the website to support our journey of this academic platform. Thank you guys and welcome to my channel. Guys, I just launched some courses on my website. These courses include physics tutorial for year 1 student, YX/JAM student, YX/JAM classes for JAM students, and also I have the organic chemistry for beginners. So these courses, you can get these courses on my website, as you can see displayed at the right hand side of the screen.